Hello to my dearest subscribers. As you all know, I'm a stock market trader and I've been analyzing the markets for a while now. 2 weeks back, I made a video about my analysis on Nifty 50 and I was expecting the markets to fall. Um, if you haven't seen that video, please go check it out. It will help me grow as an analyst. So right now the markets are trading exactly at that level which I had mentioned, 23,300. And I'm absolutely sad. We as a family hold a lot of stocks. So our profits have come down a lot. So of course that is saddening, but also at the same time, I'm happy that I'm able to analyze the markets and share it to everybody. So are the markets going to take support? Or are the markets going to continue falling? How is it going to work? That's what we're going to be exploring in this video. So before we get started, I have to tell you, my name is Yamini Prabhu. I'm a certified technical analyst and a certified derivative trader. I'm an independent trader and I'm also a stock market coach. I help women achieve financial independence through stock market trading. So if you're a woman or if you know someone who is looking to change their life, to transform their life, from going through a miserable mid career break to transforming into a successful stock market entrepreneur, then do subscribe to my channel. My mission is to change lives of women in India. Whenever you analyze a stock or index, it does not matter what type of asset it is, but whenever you analyze a stock, there's one thing which is very, very important that you have to do. If you want to do price action trading correctly, then you have to learn how to do multiple time frame analysis. There are a few things which we're going to check in Nifty 50. The first one is we're going to analyze the trend of Nifty 50 in the higher time frame, in which in this case it's going to be the weekly time frame. So let's look at the trend of Nifty 50 in the weekly time frame. So I'm going to use this extended line tool over here. So this is the tool I'm going to use whenever I draw trend lines. I think this is super helpful, easy, makes the trend, appear very, very easily. So I'm going to connect these two lows. Therefore, I know how many times there has been a support in that particular trend line. So there has been, two times there has been support in this trend line, and then one more time over here. But right now, if you see, just a few weeks back, Nifty 50 has broken this trend line. Okay, so now that this trend line is broken, we understand one thing, and that is Nifty 50 is no longer in an uptrend. Okay, that was very clear. Nifty 50 is no longer in an uptrend. So, what trend are we in right now? Currently, we cannot tell what type of trend Nifty 50 is in the weekly time frame, because the trend has just started. Right now it has just, in this candle it has just broken the uptrend and it has come down. Immediately there has been a bullish harami pattern over here, and right now the prices are rising. So there are a few things which can happen. It could go back to this particular trend line. It could face resistance over here. Right now, the prices are going higher, so it could face resistance over here and it could come down. So we have to wait for a few weeks to even determine what type of trend Nifty 50 is in the weekly time frame. But there's something else which we can do right now to understand, the current behavior of the market. So, in order for us to understand the current behavior of the market, we can do multiple time frame analysis. I have gone into a shorter time frame. I'm on the daily time frame right now. Let's look at Nifty, the trend of Nifty 50 in the daily time frame now. So here I am plotting out the swing highs and swing lows in Nifty 50. So this is the first swing high over here, which is a lower high compared to this one over here. And the next lower high is once again over here. And the next one is over here. So up until this point, there has been a downtrend. So if I connect those swing highs, you can see that there has been a trend which has given a breakout over here at this point. There is a good solid resistance as well over here, and the price, is heading towards that resistance right now. So I think I've got the idea. It's kind of clear for me. See, Nifty is going through what is called a pullback rally. Okay. So even though Nifty seems extremely bullish right now, I see there is a lot of resistance at this particular level, which is 24,500. And if the price crosses 24,500, we can expect Nifty to go up to 25,000. And when it reaches 25,000, there is a solid resistance on the weekly time frame, which is the main trend line which I have drawn here. So there should be like a lot of buying pressure in the market for Nifty to break 25,000 resistance, which is around here, 25,100, 25,200. That is the maximum, that price can easily go. Beyond that, there is a lot of resistance in the weekly time frame. So I think that is the point in which we can expect the swing high to be made in this particular move, which we are experiencing right now in the market. This analysis is valid for the next 2 weeks. By the end of this week, we can see Nifty 50 reach 25,000. And by the beginning of next week, or even by the end of this week, we can see if Nifty will start facing the resistance which we're talking about at 25,000. We don't know what will happen over the next week, but this week there's going to be buying. It's bullish, and we can expect several stocks prices to rise this week. So let me give you a quick recap about what we were just doing right now. So first we went into the weekly time frame. In the weekly time frame, we learned that there has been a solid uptrend and it's been lasting for over a year. For almost 1.5 years, there has been a solid uptrend, and that particular trend is broken in the weekly time frame. So we learned that Nifty 50 is no longer in an uptrend. And we also learned that we don't know what type of trend Nifty 50 has slipped into right now. So it could be either a sideways trend or it could be a downtrend as well. This is what we learned from the weekly time frame. And then we moved on into the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, we learned that there has been a downtrend. So Nifty has been falling in a downtrend, but there has been a small breakout from that downtrend, and there was a resistance at one level, and the price came down further, coming even below the previous low, therefore creating a lower low, which indicates that once again Nifty went into a downtrend. And today's candle almost looks like it's close to the previous resistance, therefore indicating that Nifty currently is in a sideways trend. And we are expecting the price to go higher. That is, we are expecting the previous high or that solid resistance that Nifty faced last week to come to an end, and we're expecting the market to go higher than that and go towards the trend line of the weekly time frame. That is pretty much the analysis for Nifty 50. We are expecting the prices of the stocks to rise this week because we're expecting Nifty 50 to go towards 25,000 levels. And if it goes towards 25,000 by the end of this week, or by the beginning of next week, I'm expecting Nifty 50 to face resistance once again, because what's going on in Nifty 50 right now is it's going through a pullback rally in the weekly time frame. So although the market looks extremely bullish right now over the past few days, I'm still expecting Nifty 50 to fall. If it falls, is it going to take support, or is it going to break the previous low and go lower? That's a video for a different day. So I think this is clear for you. There are plenty of stocks which are rising right now, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do let me know which part of this analysis you like the most. Let me know in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe because I'm going to, make several more videos like this, and I'm helping women to change or transform their lives from being just a homemaker to becoming a stock market entrepreneur, which is what I was able to do for myself when I thought there was no way out of the life a homemaker life. When I thought there was no way out, there's no other option for me. I found the stock market, and I built a career on it, and now I'm able to support myself and my family with this career I have built from the stock market. So I want to help other women achieve this as well. So I'm conducting classes for women, and if you want to learn how to do stock market trading, then join my Telegram channel. That's it. If you like this video, give it a like and share it with your friends. And thank you for watching. I will see you again with another video about the stock market.